what's up fam, how are you doing? Welcome to my YouTube channel. If it's your first time here, thank you so much for coming. If you're my returning subscriber, thank you so much also for always watching my videos, for being here. You know, this YouTube channel exists because of you, so thank you so much. On today's video, I'm going to share with you part 2 of Get to Know Me. I did part 1 last year, that was 2020, and if you didn't watch it, kindly click on that link popping right there, go watch it and then come back and continue. So on that video, I answered 25 questions about me, and then on today's video, I'm also going to answer 25 questions. Of course, I have my phone right here, and I'll be reading the questions on my phone as I answer them. So, scary movie or happy endings? I'm more of a happy ending kind of person. I'm a sucker for love. Anything that has like love story, I just want it to end well. I can't do scary movie. I don't like scary movie. Though I enjoy watching thrillers, but they're not that scary. It's not like a horror movie or something. But yeah, what's the farthest you've ever been from home? I think the farthest I've ever been from home is to Beirut, Lebanon. That's the farthest I've ever been. How tall are you? I'm about 168 centimeter tall. Yes. And that's about 5.6 feet. I think that's, yeah. What is the least favorite thing about yourself? The least favorite thing about myself is that I get annoyed pretty fast. Like I can really be annoyed. My mood can change just like that. And yeah, and then I can be talking, and then all of a sudden I'll just go silent and go quiet. When it just piss me off like that, like I can get annoyed really fast. And the good thing about it is that when I get annoyed or rather go quiet at a certain point, I don't want to talk to anyone and anything like that. The way I get annoyed so fast is the same way that I get back to normal that quick. Yes, that fast. Yeah. So it's something that it's my least favorite thing about me. And funniest moment throughout school. Yeah, let me take it back to high school. That's where I had a lot of fun. Like I was always getting into like problems, like getting a lot of punishment. I was doing a lot of punishment back in high school. I was getting suspensions, and yeah, I also did enjoy high school. So one of the funniest moments that I had in school was of course during drama festival, the way we used to dance, like after everything is over, like the way we could just, those are just some of the fun moments that I had when I was back in high school, or rather in school. The next question is, what's your favorite / worst subject in high school? Chemistry. Oh my god, chem. Like, you know, I never used to understand chemistry at all, like until at some point I was feeling sorry for the teacher. Like I started feeling sorry for the teacher because the teacher used to teach us, and then I'll still fail. My favorite subject in high school, funny enough, I enjoyed doing maths. I don't know, there's just something about maths. Yeah. What is your favorite drink, animal, and perfume? Do I have any favorite drink? Oh yes, mango juice. I love mango juice, and then I love apple juice. Those are two. Animal, my favorite animal at the moment, I'm not sure, but growing up I used to have a cat, and oh my god, yeah, I used to have a cat and I used to love that cat anyway. And then also recently I've been watching a lot of movies with dogs, and somehow I'm falling in love with dogs, and just the way dogs relate to human beings. And the reason why I can't even try and get one right now is because I feel like I get attached to things so fast, but that should not be an excuse. I get attached to people and things so fast, and I think I will feel really bad when something happens to that dog, and or rather when I get one. But I still get attached to things like even teddy bear, like such things, you know. Yeah, so freedom, yes. So anyway, dog will be my favorite. And then there's the perfume. On perfume, I'm not sure if I have like a particular, like, let me say favorite. I would say favorite, but every season I always have a favorite from my collection. And right now I'm looking at my dressing table, and my current, like, let me say my favorite on that collection that I have is CK's one. And let me show you. That's my current favorite. I don't know if you can see, but that's my current favorite. The next question is, who are some of your favorite YouTubers? One of my favorite YouTubers in Kenya is This Is Us. I feel like she's one of the realest person ever in this country that I watch. And then I also like watching Patricia Kihoro when it comes to editing, though she's not consistent, but I usually enjoy anytime she posts something because of editing. Oh my goodness, like before she posts a video, the time that she takes to edit, it's usually just how she edits and how she thinks. It's always worth watching. And there's someone else that I enjoy the channel also. Some guy called Peter McKinnon from Canada. I enjoy watching that guy's channel as well. And the reason I watch Peter McKinnon is because of editing and shooting and just different angles and all that. And I enjoy watching Karine Bon as well. She's also from Canada. She's the owner of House of Bon, and she's a woman in business, and I admire women in business, and I like watching her channel because there's just so much about it, how she edits. But she doesn't edit. She has an editor and someone who shoots for her. So I mean, sometimes she gets to shoot, but yeah. So I enjoy watching that channel as well. And I also enjoy watching my channel, because I usually watch it. Like, I watch my channel, I watch my videos. My favorite. I am my own favorite. How many girlfriends or boyfriends have you had? Really, I can't remember. The next one is favorite memory from childhood. My favorite memory is, I used to have a doll called Tina. Is it Dina or Dina? I think Dina. And my sister used to have a doll called Mom, and my cousin used to have a doll called Amelia Jane, my elder cousin, like one of my cousins. Yes, I think I've mentioned this before. And this is my favorite, because favorite part of when I was growing up, like from childhood, because my cousin, our kids used to go to school, like our dolls used to go to school, and every time my doll could go to school, my doll was always coming number last, and my cousin was now the teacher. The doll was always number one, like Amelia Jane was always number one in class. And you find that in this class, there's just my doll, my sister's doll, my other cousin's dolls, like maybe 5 dolls. And then you find that among all these 5 dolls, my doll will still come maybe number 60 something. So I wonder, who are all these people that are going to be in this class anyway? That was part of my childhood, and I really enjoyed that part of playing with, of course, dolls and Chamama and Chababa. And one of my cousins used to even, I don't know if he was stealing food from the house and then selling to us. Like, you go and buy like leftovers like ugali, and I mean, it was just amazing, like growing up and enjoying that moment. Yeah. How would you describe your fashion sense? How I would describe my fashion sense is, I find it a bit sophisticated, and I like classy stuff, so long as they're going to make me look cool. And I like wearing such. I like wearing tight pants. Why am I describing what I'm wearing anyway? I mean, what I like wearing. But yeah, a bit sophisticated. And they also have to be very classy, not just, so long as they look good in it and smell good. That's it. So tell us one of your bad habits. One of my bad habits is letting go of people too quickly. I know according to the Bible you're supposed to forgive, but this is something that I feel like it's one of my bad habits, because I usually do it a lot. Like, I just cut you completely, like block you if I have to block you, erase you from my memory. Like, that's how I do it, which is not a good thing. I'm supposed to forgive and forget and love people anyway. The next thing is 3 things that upset you. I don't like it when I'm being lied to. So in short, I hate liars. I don't like liars, and it upsets me. I don't like lazy people, and then I don't like negative people, and I don't like someone being negative. Just, it drives the hell out of me. Yeah. And also just lazy people. I can't stand lazy people. And yeah. 3 things that make you happy. The first thing that makes me happy is when I'm at peace. Yeah, like when I'm not stressed, when I'm not thinking of I don't know what and what, I'm at peace. Like I'm just enjoying life, like that makes me happy when I'm at peace. The second thing that makes me happy is being able to have enough money to move me from one place to another. That makes me happy. And another thing that makes me happy is being, like, you see the way every single day that I wake up and I'm like energized, going to the gym, working out and keeping fit. That makes me happy. So the next question here is, what's your talent? So you see, like, I don't know how to answer these questions, because I feel like I have so many talents, or rather God gave me one and then added me some more, because I can dance. I used to dance. I did acting. I did sing once. Even in high school also I used to sing. I can, what else? I can dance, sing, act, and talent. I think I just love dancing. So I think that's my talent. And I also love, there's so many things. Like, I love anything that involves art, because I do make hair. I do love painting. I do love all this artistic stuff. So I don't know if those are my talents, or I'm just curious in getting to know all these things. I don't know. But I have so many talents. I can't just say that I have one, because yeah, I'm a very active person. One word that describe you. One word that describe me is that I'm very courageous. Yes. What's your favorite quote? My favorite quote is silence the noise, focus on the ball by moi. Yeah. Are you an extrovert or an introvert? Do I need to answer that? Guys, I'm sure you know, but I'm an extrovert. Do you consider yourself a good cook? Yes, I consider myself a good cook because people enjoy my meal when they come home, and I also enjoy my own meals. Like I really cook and then sit down and enjoy my meals alone. So yeah, I think I'm a good cook. I consider myself a good cook. If you could live anywhere in the world, where will it be? I will definitely live in the US, somewhere in the US, along the coastal areas, like let's say, so long as there's water and beach, I'm cool with that. But anywhere in the US, because I feel like most of my kind of talents, my kind of career-wise, like they will be much more appreciated that side than this side. But yeah, just saying. What's your favorite thing to have for breakfast? My favorite kind of breakfast is this: sweet potatoes, black tea, yes, black tea, and scrambled eggs with bacon, and then maybe have a glass of fresh mango juice, very cold. Yeah, that's my favorite breakfast, my ideal breakfast. And then, what's your favorite gadget? My favorite gadget is my laptop. Yep. What's your longest relationship so far? The longest relationship I've ever had was about 2 years, 5 months, I think. That was the longest. Yep. The second last question: what is your worst experience on social media? Most embarrassing experience? In terms of embarrassing experience, no. And worst experience on social media so far, it's usually when you work so hard to post a video, you really edit a video, you post it, I don't know, yeah, that's usually my worst. Like, I don't like, you post a video, you work super hard, you edit, you put it out there, then it doesn't get views that you were expecting it to get. So that's usually one of my worst experiences on social media, especially on YouTube. Yep. And the last question is, do you believe in love? Yes, I believe in love. I'm a sucker for love, and I love love, and love is a beautiful thing. So that's it for today, good people. Thank you so much for watching. And as you can see, of course, my eyes are like, the lighting is just on my face. So yeah, so thank you so much for watching, guys. If you've gotten here and you haven't subscribed, kindly subscribe, press on that button, that lady popping over there. And until next time, my good people, kisses to you.